and welcome back. Today we're going to make an apple pie. And here is everything that you will need. A detailed listing is in the description box below. I have my oven preheating at 425 degrees. So you will need two 9-inch pie crust, egg wash that we'll use for the top of the pie and the bottom, unsalted butter, white sugar, cinnamon, and flour, and 6 to 7 apples of your choice. Here I'm using Granny Smith apples. So with Granny Smith apples, you want to use a little bit more sugar. If you're using, say, Gala apples, they're more on the sweet side, so you would use less sugar. Once you have your apples sliced, you would then wash them again, and then in a separate bowl, you would put a little bit of water mixed with lemon juice, and that way when you slice the apples, you can add them to that bowl, and that would keep the apples from turning brown. Once that's all done, we want to clean our area. We want to drain our apples and then put them in the bowl. And we're going to mix them with our sugar, our flour, and our cinnamon. And we would just mix this well. We'll add in a few slices of butter. Now we're just prepping our pie crust. We're putting a little egg wash on it and then put it in the oven for 5 minutes. Once that's done, we'll pour in our mixture. And now we're ready to put our top on the apple pie. So once you lay it over top of the pie, then you want to pinch the edges and then cut off the excess. And now you want to put the egg wash on top of the pie crust and on the edges. And then you can sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon and sugar mixture on top. And then cut a few slits in the pie for the steam to come out. So now we're going to put this in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes and then at 350 for 35 to 45 minutes. And then this is the finished product.